Welcome back, travel enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the heart of Europe, exploring a country renowned for its rich history, breathtaking landscapes, and delicious cuisine. That's right, we're talking about Italy. From the canals of Venice to the ancient ruins of Rome, Italy has something for everyone. Stick around as we uncover the 10 best places to visit in Italy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest travel adventures. Let's get started. 1. Rome. Our journey begins in the eternal city, Rome. Rome is a living museum with its ancient ruins like the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and the Pantheon, transporting you back in time. Don't miss the Vatican City, home to St. Peter's Basilica, and the breathtaking Sistine Chapel, where Michelangelo's masterpiece resides. Wander through the charming streets, indulge in authentic Italian gelato, and toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain for good luck. 2. Venice. Next stop, Venice, the city of canals. Venice is an architectural wonder with its winding waterways and stunning palaces. Take a romantic gondola ride through the Grand Canal, explore St. Mark's Basilica, and get lost in the narrow winding streets. Don't forget to visit the Rialto Market for a taste of local life and the iconic Rialto Bridge for a perfect photo op. 3. Florence. Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, is a must-visit for art lovers. The city is home to incredible museums like the Uffizi Gallery and the Accademia, where you can marvel at Michelangelo's David. The Florence Cathedral, with its stunning dome, offers panoramic views of the city. Stroll through the historic centre, cross the famous Ponte Vecchio, and enjoy the Tuscan cuisine in one of the many trattorias. 4. Milan. Milan, Italy's fashion capital, is a blend of historical and modern attractions. The Milan Cathedral, or Duomo, is a Gothic masterpiece that took nearly 6 centuries to complete. For a taste of luxury, visit the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, one of the world's oldest shopping malls. Art enthusiasts will love Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper, housed in the Santa Maria delle Grazie convent. 5. Cinque Terre. Cinque Terre, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, comprises 5 picturesque villages along the rugged Italian Riviera. The colourful houses, stunning sea views, and charming harbours make it a perfect destination for hikers and photographers alike. Each village, Monterosso al Mare, Vernazza, Cornelia, Manarola, and Rio Maggiore, offers unique experiences, from relaxing on the beach to exploring vineyards. 6. Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast is synonymous with jaw-dropping beauty. This stunning stretch of coastline boasts dramatic cliffs, vibrant villages, and sparkling blue waters. Positano, with its steep streets and chic boutiques, is a favourite among visitors. The town of Amalfi offers historical charm with its beautiful cathedral, while Ravello is known for its gardens and panoramic views. 7. Naples. Naples, the birthplace of pizza, is a city brimming with energy and history. Explore the historic centre, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and enjoy a traditional Neapolitan pizza at a local pizzeria. A visit to Naples is incomplete without a trip to the nearby ruins of Pompeii, preserved by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. For a breathtaking view, hike up to the crater of Vesuvius itself. 8. Tuscany. Tuscany, with its rolling hills, vineyards, and medieval towns, is a quintessential Italian experience. Visit the historic city of Siena, known for its beautiful Piazza del Campo, the famous Palio horse race, the town of San Gimignano, with its medieval towers, offers a glimpse into the past. Don't forget to indulge in wine tasting tours in the Chianti region, famous for its world-class wines. 9. Sardinia. Sardinia, Italy's second largest island, is renowned for its stunning beaches and crystal clear waters. The Costa Smeralda, or Emerald Coast, is a playground for the rich and famous, with its luxury resorts and pristine beaches. Explore the ancient Nurag structures, unique to Sardinia, and enjoy the island's distinct cuisine, influenced by its rich history and diverse cultures. 10. Sicily. Our final destination is Sicily, the largest island in the Mediterranean. Sicily is a cultural melting pot with a history influenced by the Greeks, Romans, Arabs, and Normans. Visit the Valley of the Temples in Agrigento, explore the ancient theatres in Taormina, and hike up Mount Etna, one of the world's most active volcanoes. Sicily's vibrant markets and delicious cuisine, including the famous cannoli, are a treat for the senses. That wraps up our tour of the 10 best places to visit in Italy. From the historic streets of Rome to the stunning beaches of Sardinia, Italy truly has it all. Which destination are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travelers, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel guides. Until next time, ha!